Don't start acting crazy now. Oh, there goes Sue. All right, so I'm gonna do the light test first, okay? Where it's at? Okay. Is this supposed to drape in the middle?
Yeah.
Did you? You probably. Does it tie? It ties at the back?
No.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. We gotta take some pictures standing up first. You
Yeah.
in?
I ain't gonna lie, you do need lotion. I can't have you go out like that. But I'm gonna take the test shots first, okay? I'll break that shit. This nigga does stupid shit. Ooh. Okay, ready? Okay, on 3, we're gonna say cheese, okay?
Big cheese, okay?
1, 2, 3.
Big cheese.
Look at me, look at me, look at me. Right here. Look at my hand, yup. Good. Bring that other hand, put it on him too. Kind of like, actually tickle him. Yeah. He like, hey. That's good, look at me, look at me. Good.
Okay. Joe, take a video.
Yeah, these cute. These cute, I like these.
Oh yeah. He wasn't really swallowing.
Let's get some of him by himself. Good.
A real big one.
No, he is hilarious. How old is he?
How old are you?
2? Okay, show me 2. Go like this. I'm rolling. Good. Okay, ready? Gonna say cheese again, all right? 1, 2, 3.
Big cheese. Big cheese.
Big cheese, big cheese.
Big cheese.
Good, look at me right here. Cheese on 3. 1, 2, 3. He like, nigga, I'm over this.
Big cheese. Pie. Okay, wait. Go back.
Did you want some by yourself?
Yeah. Hold on. Stand right here with your uncle.
And I'm gonna move this. All right, let me see. Yeah. Okay, test shot real quick. Test shot. Step to your left a little bit. Yeah. Good. Okay, cool. So let's try a pose that's a little softer. So let's do like more straight on. So this foot, well, this your good side?
It don't matter.
It do matter.
Both of my sides are good.
Okay. All right, so boom, you step forward. This side, this hand, let's bring like right here. No.
Like this?
Nah, straight on. So you gotta face me straight on. Make your feet straight too. You gotta bring this hip forward. No. Bend this knee. Right. So you already in it. This hand goes here. Mm-hmm. And then the other hand is gonna go up on your chest, like toward where your pendant is. Right. So you like this, you wanna have this hand here. And then you bring this shoulder forward. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. But I need it soft though, so like right here. No, you good. Yeah, good. Get face with it.
Still got Facebook.
I said get face with it. Good. 1, 2, 3. Turn your face more to me. Good. Turn your face more to me, like more to the camera. Right. 1, 2, 3. Good. Look over that way. Turn your head that way too. More. Right. 1, 2, 3. This hand right here though, you like drooping it into the dress. You gotta hold it right next to, like you should be touching, right. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay, give me a regular pose you would do. All right, 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, y'all, so we're moving over to set 2. Set 1 is complete. As I said, you ain't gotta make it complicated, man. You just make it simple, do what you gotta do, and the results will speak for themselves. All right. All right, y'all, so we're gonna switch out this modifier. One, because this roof is pretty shallow, this area is pretty small. So I'm gonna go with a smaller one. And 2, because I want a little bit more of a harsh light. And even though this diffuser is smaller, I get more of a directional light with this one. For some reason, I don't know why, but I do. So, first one we're gonna shoot right on this couch. Real simple, real easy. I'm gonna use my 50 mil.
Do you think these pants are needed, or like, do we just look good like this?
I think it's okay like that. Well, hold it up next to him, let me see.
Or he need the whole shebang?
No, I think I like this better. All right, what's this belt situation?
It don't have no loops.
I might have a, this might help. Bobby pin.
Okay, come on.
All right. Okay, cool.
Come on, sit up.
Put them on the other side.
Come on this side.
And then you just gonna cross your leg over.
This one?
Yep. Yep. All right, let me see. This is it. A shot real quick. I ain't gonna lie, this look good. You might like this one better. Okay, ready? Cheese on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one thing though, your leg's kind of long. So the bottom foot, bring it out a little bit more. Yeah, just so it's not, you know. Okay, good. Turn that little piece of fabric over. Yeah. Okay, ready? Cheese on 3. 1, 2, 3. No, big cheese, big cheese. Right here. Right here, look. Look.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Look. Perfect. Yep, looking at me.
Big cheese. Big cheese. Big cheese.
Good. Okay, we got that. Yeah, those were good. All right. It's this damn chandelier right here. I don't want the shadow on your face. I think what I want you to do is hold him and have him kind of like play with the ornaments. Not yet, though. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, you know, he got thin patience.
Come on, Tom.
All right, let's go.
Wait, then you can get a big thing.
Good. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Put that other hand up, Tyler.
Huh?
Put that other hand up.
This one?
Yeah. On him. Yeah, like hold him. Yeah. Good. Smile, 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 cheese. Good. Okay, we got it.
Okay. You ready? All right, go up there with your uncle. Oh, yeah, those are cute.
These was kind of a fail. I mean,
That,
it's not
go
that
back.
bad.
Go back. That one is cute a little bit.
Yeah. These were good when he was laughing. This supposed to be up here.
I feel like it's supposed to be where the line at. So, yeah, right here.
What's under? What's right here? What's this?
What
Your
you
underwear?
mean?
This line. That's
Yeah.
okay. Okay. All right. Cool. Why are you laughing?
I don't know how to stand right now.
What? I ain't even take a test shot yet. She laughing. It looked good though. I like that. But let's try instead of back here, just bring it right here, a little higher though. Yeah. Okay. Miss Claus bad. Don't play with her. Good. God, I was just about to say, give me mouth closed. Now go back to that real quick. But look all, like over that way. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now go to the tree. I was thinking I want you to do one where you kind of kick the foot up.
I was going to do that.
So you could be like this.
Okay.
Now the secret to this though, you can't donkey kick back like that. Right. What you do, you put the knees, make sure they even, and then all you do is like this. Yeah. You do anything else, you're gonna look crazy. Oh, and you gotta make sure you point the toe too. All right. Let's see. Okay. Good. But I was about to say, switch the hands. So, right. Yeah. That one, that's good. Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bring the foot a little higher though. Right, you gotta like really bring it up. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Good. Yep, you good? Looking at me. Kick that foot up. Right, 1, 2, 3. Almost to try to make it touch your butt, like, yeah. All right, ready? 2 shots. 1, 2, 3. Give me one more. Change the, right. Lift the chin up, let me see. 1, 2, 3. All right. Tired?
Oh, that is hot.
I mean, I don't toot my own horn, but I'll do a little
Hold
something.
on,
Wait.
Picture of this.
Oh my God.
I just got to take a picture of one. Like, that is hot.
My nail's dirty right now. I like this one.
Yeah, that's...
Who did your makeup?
Her name is 17 Cosmetics.
Yeah, 17 did her thing. Okay, so. All right, y'all. So the shoot was